And check out that new Driven 24/7 logo. Someone's not very happy. Little cycle lady.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to Driven 24/7 Automotive YouTube channel. As always, my name is Amber and behind me I have my modified Abarth 595 Trofeo. Now if you click up a card above, in the previous video to this one I was talking about selling her, but the Abarth is probably here to stay, to be honest with you. What I meant was the car is for sale at the right price. Obviously if someone offers me a great price then I'll sell it. If someone doesn't, then I'll carry on keeping her. So that sort of cleared that up. So today we're doing a washing my modified Abarth video. And you're going to have to bear with me on this video because although we have a driveway, that's actually situated at the back of the flat and my car is in front of the flat on the road. So it's been a long time since I've washed the car on the road. Usually I've had the luxury of having a driveway. So yeah, let's try and see how well we can do this without getting interrupted or getting those comments like, haha, you missed a bit. So today I just wanted to show you how I personally wash my Abarth. It's a bit of an OCD sort of structured way of doing it. I like to think that I know what I'm doing and I know my products. A little background story, I used to have my own sort of little side business where I used to sell detailing products from different brands. The business went a bit of a flop. I also am a valeter, that is my job. So yeah, I have a little routine, the way I wash my 595, and that's what I'm going to show you today. So I'm going to snow foam it, pre-wash it, do the wheels, obviously wash it with a shampoo and dry it safely. So let's do it. So first things first guys, I just want to show you how dirty the car actually is. So the black wheels are pretty much brown, full of brake dust. We got all the dirt along the side. It hasn't been washed for a good few months and it hasn't been washed properly for a good few months at that. She looks quite nice and clean in the sunshine though, to be honest. Yellow car doesn't really show too much of the dirt. At the rear it's a bit of a different story. Again, I don't know if you can see a lot of dirt on the back of the car as such. And as we go around this side, can't really see again, maybe because of shadows, but yeah, she is pretty dirty. So let's change that. And check out that new Driven 24/7 logo on a sticker. And get more of these made by the amazing guys at the Design Thieves. I've always had this sort of logo in my head, just didn't know how to draw it or put it into a logo because I'm not creatively minded or artistic or good at drawing. So I asked Design Thieves, can you make me a logo? They've made it into an awesome sticker and making them into t-shirts as we speak. So if you like them, let me know in the comments below and I could try to sell for you guys. That'd be wicked. Oh, can I get in the frame? Right, here we go guys. So usually I use a 3-bucket method, but today I'm doing a 2-bucket method, which is you have a wheels bucket, then you reuse it for your dirty bucket, and then you have a clean suds bucket because I am a bucket down. So behind me, I've literally just got some clean water in one of my dirty buckets that I'm now going to use for the wheels as well as the dirty water when washing the body of the car. Got a nice grit guard down the bottom as well. This is not a sponsored video, I mean I really wish. These are some of the products I use. I've got so many different products, Auto Finesse, Maguire's, Auto Glim, blah blah blah, you name it, I've probably got most of it. What I do first is I put iron out. This is an iron remover, so I put that on the dry wheels first, wait for that to turn purple, so that then means it's removing all that decontamination from the wheels and all the road grime, brake dust. So I put this on dry, that removes all the iron. I then jet wash it. I then use a wheel soap in the bucket, so again I use Auto Finesse Revolution, so I'll squirt that in the bucket like you do a normal shampoo, suds it up, and then I've got a wash mitt for my wheels, I've got a little brush, and yeah, I think that's it. But I'll show you obviously how we're going to do the wheels first. We're going to start with the wheels and we're going to go into the body of the car, so hopefully this is informative to you guys. So that's my wheels wash mitt, and then over here just got this little one which is a bit broken, but it goes to the backs of the wheels in between the spokes. So I've also got my dry dirty wheel in front of me. I'm now going to use the iron remover on the dry wheel, let that work its magic for a few minutes. I'm only going to do 2 wheels at a time just because it's quite warm out here. So yeah, we'll put this on both these two wheels this side, and we'll go on to the other side after we've rinsed them. So it does turn purple as it eats its way through that dirt and brake dust on the wheels, so we'll just give this a couple more minutes and we'll blast it off and do the other side. So that's pretty much cleaned the face off the Abarth alloy. Now what I'm going to do is get my wash mitt and get my little wheel brush cleaner to get right down to the backs of the alloys to clean up the backs and the bits you can't see, but it's always nice to clean them. You can actually see a clean wheel all the way through. Just done all 4 wheels. It's taken me a good hour or so. The good thing about these pedal wheels is obviously, as you could see, I could get my hand right to the back of these wheels and clean the back. So yeah, I do want to probably get some new wheels eventually. I'm starting to get a few little marks, but we'll probably talk about that in another video. Just show you around the wheels. Again, black wheels look wicked when they're clean, but because dirt is brown, they also show up the dirt really well. So that's the downside. Cool, so let's get onto the pre-wash of the actual car, snow foam, and the bit that I absolutely love. Right, so Will's bucket is now clean and ready for the dirty body wash bucket. I've got my snow foam lance here. I'm just about to try a new snow foam one I haven't tried before. So I'll put about up to there with actual snow foam, and I filled it up to there, so it's not a whole bottle full, but hopefully that should be quite a nice thick mixture. My dirty water bucket with clean water in at the moment because I haven't washed the body yet. I've also got my sudsy bucket, so I'll put the mitt into sudsy one, wash over the car, into the dirty one, rinse, back into the sudsy bucket, and so on. So that's wash down the car. Rinse it off quickly in the dirty water bucket, back into the clean sudsy bucket. So now I've got this super absorbent drying towel, so I'm just going to, again, working from top to bottom, dry off the car so the sunshine doesn't leave any streaks on the yellow paintwork. Someone's not very happy. Just going to go around with the glass cleaner quickly because the sun has gotten to the windows before I have and made them a little bit streaky. So here she is, guys. It is quite stressful, I think, washing a car and filming it, because you're trying to do a good wash and you're trying to get the good camera angles and stuff. But it was just a quick one, sticking to my little regime. So yeah, it's really funny because when the car is clean, obviously the yellow really pops and the bugs soon stick onto the car, all the flies and stuff. Yeah, it will do. I mean, we're still in lockdown. It's not exactly going anywhere, but apart from the driveway in a minute, but it will do. So that is it for this video, guys. My modified Abarth is now clean on the road, and I cleaned it on the road. Like I said, first time in ages. It is a struggle with people coming past, trying to film it, trying to do a good clean as well. Just to go over, I started off with cleaning dirty Abarth wheel. I used some iron out to remove all the iron first, then jet washed that off, and then I went in with a proper hand wash on the wheels. Jet washed that off, then went over with a watery snow foam until I got the mixture right. So we snow foamed the car, rinsed that off, went over with a hand shampoo, dried it off, done the windows. She is due a proper clean, like, you know, she's got tar spots on her and she probably could do with another wax and that, but that's probably for another video. I have washed the car in the full sun. I don't have any shade here. Usually this spot is shady, but obviously as the sun's come around, we're now in the full sun. I didn't actually think it's going to be this hot today, but it is. Like I say, personally, I really enjoy washing cars and trying out different branded products. Like I say, that's what happened with the snow foam today. It was snow foam I hadn't used before, so I had to learn what mixture would work and what thickness I wanted for my Abarth, but we got there in the end. Yeah, I really enjoy washing my car and the way that I personally do it. On another note, as you saw in the start of this video, I just put an overlay in now. I am getting some more of my Driven 24/7 new logo stickers made up by the design thieves. I'm wearing one of my old Driven 24/7 t-shirts at the moment, but again, we're going to get the new logo put onto some t-shirts as well, which you'll then see me wearing in my next videos, and when they arrive and when they're done, you will be able to purchase those. So it'd be pretty cool if I could sell stickers or sell t-shirts, and then when we're out this lockdown, I go to meets and I can have little maybe stands, sell some t-shirts and stickers there. It'd be pretty cool. Next video, I might have a little website up and running where you might be able to purchase these bits. Could you let me know below if you've enjoyed this type of video, whether I should do some more car cleaning videos, because like I say, I am a valeter by trade and I just like washing the cars. Yeah, do give this video a like. Please do subscribe, because quite a few of you do watch my videos but don't subscribe. The figures do mean things to certain companies that want to help YouTubers out, so if you could hit the subscribe button and make sure you click that bell so you're notified every time a video goes up onto my automotive YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram. I've changed my Instagram now, so it's mainly just car content. I do have a personal Instagram as well, which you can find through that Instagram. Yeah, I'll see you in another video, guys. Thanks for watching. Little cycle lady. I just think this isn't going to be your typical how to wash a car video, because being from the little city and I'm messing up, Martin.